Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. I wish you all the best of everything and many more birthdays to come, many apos to come. And proud ako sa'yo because you are serving God with all your heart and with all your soul. Na talaga nga naman na your spirit is keep on burning so much. And I'm very, very happy na sama-sama tayo naglilingkod sa Panginoon. All the way from Ilagan, Isabela. Again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best again. And alam kong happy ka ngayon dahil sinurprise ka namin. Surprise! At hindi mo alam yan kasi nga surprise na, di ba? So, yun. Again, happy birthday from Ilagan, Isabela. Happy birthday and God bless. May the Lord bless you even more. I love you. Bye-bye.